Principle 2, and this is create a collaborative project team environment. So this is part of your job as a servant leader, as a project manager, whoever is responsible for creating that environment should take heed. And to be quite honest, you do know that in the world of agile, it works differently than it does in the world of predictive. In the world of predictive, it's often on one central figure, right? A central person like the project manager. But in the world of agile, in the world of hybrid, it's important that the team sees this as their job. Everyone should create this environment. But remember, the exam is called Project Management Professional. So it's really on you as the professional to create this environment. So it reads, project teams are made up of individuals who wield diverse skills, knowledge, and experience. Project teams that work collaboratively can accomplish a shared objective more effectively and efficiently than individuals working on their own. So the idea here is to create that environment where the team can thrive. The very first thing we talk about here is team agreements. And team agreements represent a set of behavioral parameters and norms established by the project team and upheld through individual and project team commitment. You also need to be aware of other words for team agreements. So there's team agreements, there's team charter, there's team contract. You also have the term social contract and ground rules. So all of these are kind of used interchangeably, but ground rules exist in these things I mentioned. Just remember the 3 T's: team agreement, team contract, and team charter. Those are quite important. Then we have organizational structures. Organizational structures are important because depending on the structure of the organization you're in, teams might have certain norms that gravitate more towards a functional organization. Some may have those that gravitate more towards matrix, and so on. And then we have an understanding of processes. Project teams define processes that enable completion of tasks. And again, that's why the team contract, the team charter, team agreement, they're all very important terms to remember because the processes for working are in here. Remember that in the world of Agile, we have the concept of definition of done. Where do you think that is? It's here. Definition of ready. Where do you think that is? It's here in the team charter. So when it comes to authority, accountability, responsibility, it is extremely important for you to understand where you kind of fit as a project manager and as a team member. And that's why this principle, principle 2, is really important. See you in the next one.